Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are. You are welcome to my platform. In today's video, I want us to talk about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Maybe you have heard about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Maybe your sister, your brother, someone around you have invested in crypto and maybe it didn't go well or maybe it did go well. And you are asking yourself, if say this crypto is real or how are you going to invest in cryptocurrency? I want you to understand this. There are lots of scams out there in this industry, so you have to be careful whenever you interact with any crypto out there. If say a friend tells you buy this, do that, you need to understand what it is, how you're gonna go about everything, because you can put your money there and the next day is down to zero. Or maybe you can be vulnerable to these guys who might capitalize on the fact that you are ignorant about crypto, you don't know much about crypto, and they're gonna steal your money. Whatever the case is, be safe. That's why my content is focused on educating you about what this is, how you can get involved the right way. So if say you are someone who is interested to learn more, you want to get knowledge, you want to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, then stay with me on this platform. Subscribe right now, like my videos, and share with your friends. Anyways, let's dive into today's video. I want us to look at investment in general. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, but let's look at investment in general. Whenever you invest in something, there's one thing you have in mind: to make profit from your investment. When you do a business, there's one thing you have in your brain: to grow that business and to make profit from that business, right? So whenever you put money into something, the end point is you want to make more money, or you want to, make profit in what you do. But not everyone have that ability to do a business or to start a business. That's why you see some people out there, whenever they want to start something, they go further to learn from those who have been there before. Knowledge is very important. And I want you to understand that I'm not just here to tell you buy Bitcoin, buy cryptocurrency. I'm here to tell you how important investing is all about. So let's do it this way. Let's say, for example, you have a job, right? And you receive salary every month. That salary, before it comes, let's be honest, you must have spent everything before that salary even comes that month, right? And before you realize, you are working for the next month, or you are working to get paid the next month to be indebted again the other month. So what I'm trying to say is, each time you work, you don't see the money after you get paid. The money goes to bills and other stuff, and the little amount left in your account, you want to use it to buy some groceries, buy some stuff for yourself, buy some stuff for your kids, and send some money back home to your parents or to your friends. Like, you spend that money like that. There's one thing you always do whenever you get money: you pay your bills, right? You pay your house rent, you pay your car bills, you pay your phone bills. These are stuff you deem important that you cannot do without. You always have to pay for those stuff, right? If say you don't pay your rent, you don't pay your mortgage, gonna kick you out from that house, right? And you're gonna be in the street. So you are trying to avoid that. If say you don't pay your phone bills, the company's gonna cut you off. If say you don't pay other bills, they're gonna take you somewhere that maybe they're gonna blacklist you from getting credit. If say you don't have good credit living in the West, then life is gonna be difficult for you. That's why I want to introduce to you a better way to go about investing. Look at investment as a way out for the future. That means you are building wealth somewhere that, let's say, for the next 5 years, that wealth can replace or can be equivalent to your salary every month. Let's say, for example, each time you receive your salary, you remove 10% from that salary to buy any asset out there, be it stocks, crypto. I'm going to recommend crypto because I know more about crypto. You can buy real estate. You investing in real estate stocks, or you invest in tech stocks, AI stocks. Invest in things that appreciate in value over a long period of time. And one thing you have to understand when it comes to investment is that you are hedging against inflation for the future. Inflation is what makes life difficult for us, because when prices of goods and services increases and your salary doesn't increase alongside prices or expenditures monthly, then life become difficult for you. If you want to, like, let's say last year it cost you $10,000 to live the whole of it last year, and this year you are realizing that, oh, you're gonna cost you $12,000, and the next year it's gonna cost you $15,000. So things become expensive every day, and the way forward is to have a system where you invest something every month and you can compound that investment long term. Diversify your investment. Look for someone who understands all this to educate you how to go about investing. If it means you are investing $10 every month, it's not worth it for the next 5 years, the next 10 years. That amount of money can become something big in the future. Guys, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And I don't want you to just say no to what I'm saying. I want you to do more research. Maybe I'm saying something you don't fully understand. And what you should be doing right now is go and do more research. Is what the Beton saying makes sense? If say investing is good, how do I go about investing? What is stocks? How do I go about investing in stocks? What is cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all this stuff? You need to be able to learn, educate yourself. Don't just sit there and look at me saying that, oh, what he's saying is it's not okay, it's wrong, it's bad, or this is not for me. It's for you. It's for you. Think about your kids. Think about your family, the future. Let's say today you lost your job. What will happen to you? We saw what happened during the COVID period. Many people lose their job. And right now, people are losing their jobs. So what will become of you if, say, you don't have an investment, an asset out there that you can borrow against that asset and get cash to do a business, or maybe to do something that can sustain you? But my point is, you cannot depend on your job alone. You cannot depend on your salary alone. Or you cannot keep on looking for 3 jobs, 4 jobs, 5 jobs. The strength you have now is not going to be there for the next 5 years, the next 10 years. As you grow older, the strength is going to reduce. And as you get kids, the activities, you're going to be focused to help your kids grow. So you need something that is going to be like backup. So even if you don't have to work in the future as you do right now, things will be better for you. Even if it means that your investment is able to give you just half of your salary, then it makes sense. It's going to help you somehow. I've seen the struggle out there. It's hard. It's hard because there's so much to do, so much bills, so much commitment. But trust me, my friend, you need to be committed to something. As you're committed to paying your bills, your rent, you need to be committed in investing every month. I'm not saying you have to understand everything about investment. What I'm saying right now is you need to learn, connect with people who understand this, ask them for advice. If possible, pay for their services so that they can educate you on how you can go about, investing sustainably. There are so many scams out there. People are going to come to you that this is good, this is that, and so on and so forth. But you need to be able to deduce if, say, something is right or wrong. If, say, you understand that thing. If, say, you don't understand that thing, whatever someone tells you, you're going to accept it to be right. So, trust me, I'm here to educate you. My platform is designed to help people like you understand investing, cryptocurrency, how they can go about, building wealth from scratch. What I mean by from scratch, it means you start paying that $10 every month. You increase it to $20. You increase it to $50. You build an environment around you that you focus on building something for your future. So that when you turn 50, 60, you're not going to be working as you do now. You're going to be enjoying your life, traveling around, spending time with your kids. Life will be easy. So I said, let me do this video to encourage you, not to conclude that this is bad or this is not good for you. Try something and do it the right way. If you need someone to guide you, someone to mentor you, then connect with me. My link tree is found below this video. Go there and connect with me. Let's have a Zoom call so we can talk more on how I can help you start something small. And then from there, you can keep building until it gets to an amount that you say, okay, this amount is sufficient and I can either quit my job or I can work less. And I can use most of my time to travel and do other stuff that I cannot do right now that I work so much. So if this makes sense to you, then connect with me. My link tree is below this video. Connect with me. Let's talk. And don't forget to subscribe to this video, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.